Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today on YOUCANIC we're going to go over how you would replace this headlight assembly in case it was broken, cracked, a rock hit it, who knows, or you had an accident, but you replace this lighting housing element. Now, to start with, you do need to remove the bumper to be able to replace this, because otherwise you can't get it off, because see, the bumper goes right around this guard and slips into here, so the light itself helps hold the bumper on, or the bumper cover. So you have to remove the bumper first. And then up here is a size 12 bolt that we got to remove. Right here we got two number 10s. And with those removed, we can now lift up on the light, because it's got little tabs down here that are holding it in. So there's a little tab down there that holds it, and then once you get that undone, then you can pull it out. Make sure you undo the electric connector to be able to remove the whole unit. So high beam, low beam, and the side marker light. But if this was broken, you just go ahead and buy the whole unit and be able to replace this whole assembly itself. And this was the little tab that you got to kind of pop up a little bit and pull out. And see, this little lock here is what locks onto it. So if you just pull straight out, it'll come out. So when you got a new one and ready to put it back on, you just got to make sure you keep your electric up so you remember where it's at, and then line it up. Get it lined up, have you lined in those tabs there, and then just press until it's into place. Make your electric connection back up and put the two number 10 bolts in. And the number 12. And tighten those into place. Get it fairly snug, and then make sure everything, we have the good lines that we need for your car. Tighten the two 10s, and that is how you replace the headlight assembly on your 2019 Kia Forte, and then you would put the bumper back on and go through that process. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.